Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on saves on activity from people you follow on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here, now click settings, now click notifications, and now click on Pinterest, and here you'll find it saves on activity from people you follow. And that's it, how to turn it on, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.